This welding helmet stands out for its unusually large viewing window, which makes it much easier to see the joint and puddle clearly while you work. Its blue light filtering lens significantly cuts down on the harsh, high-energy part of the spectrum, so your eyes feel less fatigued during long welding sessions. The optical clarity rating and true color technology give a very natural view of the arc and workpiece, which helps with judging bead shape and heat input more accurately. 4 responsive arc sensors and very fast switching keep the lens reliably darkened, even at lower amperages or out of position, reducing the chance of annoying flashes. A combination of solar assist and a replaceable lithium battery means you get long, low-maintenance runtime without constantly worrying about power. The adjustable headgear, breathable padding, and sturdy reinforced shell make it comfortable for extended use while still feeling tough enough for daily shop abuse.